In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to download and install Google Earth in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you need to proceed at the button search bar here and type for Chrome. Once you've typed it, kindly wait until a best match should appear. And once it's here, all you need to do is you need to click on the open option to continue. So from here, you need to proceed at the search bar and type for Google space Earth. Okay, so let me just edit my typo by adding E here. Then hit the enter key the moment you have typed it, and eventually you can see an option like this. Please click on the first result. So eventually you would be redirected to the Google Earth, and in order to download and install this as an application, all you need to do is you need to navigate at the upper right side of that. You can see there are three dots. Please scroll down and locate your cursor to cast, save and share, and choose for install page as application. So from here, please click on install. And eventually you can see or you can open up this window where it means that you have successfully installed it as an application here in your Windows. So close all of the windows being opened and you can see that a shortcut for Earth has been successfully created as well here at the desktop. And if you will navigate to the button search bar here and type for Earth, you can see that it is being placed at the best matched as an application. So you would be receiving a notification where your machine says that or asks that if you would like to pin the Google Earth to taskbar. So click on yes if you would like to, or you can simply decline the offer by clicking on no thanks. Now that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Now, thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.